Every month during periods, the lining of the womb is shed along with some blood. The length of the menstrual cycle is usually 28 days. If it exceeds a week, then it can be problematic, as then comes the issue of irregular periods. Periods could be really painful for some women. A regular period is medically known as oligomenorrhea, which is a common issue in women. Many factors can cause this problem, such as eating disorders, weight loss or gain, anemia, menopause, thyroid disorders, hormonal imbalance, liver disease, tuberculosis, miscarriage, and other health conditions. Lifestyle also triggers like increased exercise, smoking, alcohol abuse, caffeine, travel, stress, and certain medications and birth control pills can also contribute to this problem. Irregular periods are common at the time of menopause. However, there are many home remedies for irregular periods. Here in this video 7 effective home remedies can help you with irregular periods. 1. Unripe papaya. Green unripe papaya is considered useful in regulating menstrual flow, as it helps contract muscle fibers in the uterus. Consume unripe papaya juice regularly for a few months, but remember that do not drink it during your periods. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is considered to be one of the best medicated herbs, which are quite warming as well. It is helpful in regulating menstruation and balancing hormones. Its antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties relieve menstrual pain. Consume a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric with milk, honey, or jaggery. Take it daily for several weeks or until you see improvement. 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera helps treat menstrual irregularities naturally by regulating your hormones. To get the best results, extract fresh aloe vera gel from an aloe leaf. Mix in 1 teaspoon of honey and consume it daily before having your breakfast, but also remember that do not use this remedy during your periods. 4. Practice yoga and meditation. Stress is one of the primary causes of hormonal imbalance in the body that triggers irregularities in menstruation. Yoga and meditation help in relieving stress. Meditation can ensure perfect hormonal balance in the body. These two are the most effective methods for controlling irregular periods without medicines. 5. Ginger. Ginger is highly recommended for regulating menstrual cycles and getting rid of irregular periods. Boil 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger for 5 minutes. Add little sugar and drink the mixture 3 times a day after your meals. 6. Cumin. Cumin is loaded with a number of health benefits. Soaked cumin can be used in the treatment of irregular periods. Take 2 spoons of cumin seeds and soak them in water overnight and drink both in the morning. You need to drink this water every day to get your periods regularized. 7. Cinnamon. Cinnamon not only helps to enhance the taste of your dishes but significantly contributes to regulating your menstrual cycle too. It provides a warming effect within your body. Take a glass full of warm milk and add a teaspoon of powdered cinnamon and drink it. It is even effective in eradicating menstrual cramps.